Maybe you want to speak with me because she seems bored. Man, I want to buy something. Give me that one, man. Lady, give me that. She doesn't want, man. Okay. She just waved her hand. I will have to leave eventually. If you are an enchanter and you want to know where to find the Grandmaster Enchanter Trainer, Professional Trainer in WoW Classic, Wrath of the Lich King in Dalaran City, I will show you on the map where I am. Let's see, this must be the guy as Grandmaster Enchanting Trainer. Have a look. Yeah, he have everything you need to learn in order to become the best of the best of the best enchanters here in Dalaran City. Anyway. And here you can find any materials you may need. I don't like enchanters. However, if you need this guy here in Dalaran, in Crystal Song, Northrend, you can find him right in the Magnus Commerce Exchange in the first purple building on the left. Just come here and you'll find this guy. She had enough of me. I know she doesn't want me. However, don't forget to smash the like button and leave any comments down below if I help you to find this guy. Have a good day.